Happy Jones here from Planning with Happy J. And today I'm working in my mini, which is my everyday carry, from the 25th of May to the 31st of May, the last week in the month. Can you believe it? So let's get started. Oops. And this is my everyday carry. I only have a couple months in here. And this is for, goes in my purse. And then this is the whole planner that I use for my mini. Okay, and I'm going to be using Fruits and Florals by Kellofaplan. And let me get in my appointments first. And I have a very busy week. I have an appointment on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So I'm going to be very, very busy. So let me do this first. Let me get these boxes for Friday. Because I have 2 appointments Friday. I have 1 appointment on Tuesday. Two appointments on Wednesday. So let me put this one up here. And 1 appointment on Thursday. So let's put that also, let's put that one down here. And then I'm going to do what I did last week. Instead of just putting dots for what I'm, for my to-dos that are away from the home, I put a box, put the dots in the box. And I like the way it came out. Now, I got my essentials, so let's get to the fun part. And these are oranges. This is the fruit we're going to be using. And I want a pretty one down here. Now, let's see, which one do I want to use? Let's try this, this one here. I think it will fit. I do love Kellofaplan stickers, especially her clear ones, because they're so easy to lift up. And they never leave the ink behind, and they're very thin. Now, what do I want to put over here? Are these the same? Yes. Let's try to use this somewhere. Let me put it there. And let's just put it one up there. That makes it very balanced in a way. But I think it looks more elegant. Yeah, just like that. I think that looks really elegant. And now let me put some dots in the box. And I don't need a lot. And this one there, and one more. No, I think 3 does it. Let's just move them a little bit further apart. There. Now let's go back to this page. And what do I want to do? Let's take this one and cut it in half. Well, I didn't make it quite in half. One's a little bigger than the other one. But let's put it down here. I like that. And how about this Sunday one? I think the Sunday one would look better like this, because I'm not going to be leaving the house Sunday unless I go to church, which would be in the morning. So I could leave a little dot for that. There. And I'm definitely staying home Monday because I'm going to have such a busy week that Monday's going to be my catch-up day. So do I want to cover up the whole day or just part of the day? Let's try this sticker here. There. And now I want a smaller one. I don't have too many small ones. I think that's it. I think that's it for my mini. So let's put it back in the book. You know, I like the blue cover I just got for my classic size planner, and I didn't get one, and I think I'm going to order one for my mini because I just love the way the colors look with it. So thank you for watching, and bye.